Let's go across to Winnie as well. She's with us talking about DMart, what's happening over there. Remember, stock is one of the top losers. When the numbers came, that is the operational update came, the stock fell down a little bit. And now when the numbers have come out, I think it's fallen down about 5% more. Winnie is here with us to tell us what's happening in DMart.
So absolutely, we saw miss coming in terms of the profitability as well as the EBITDA margin front of the company as well. And because of that, only the revenue was in line with estimates. So we could say a bit of a miss coming in on that front for overall Avenue Supermarts numbers. Not an exciting set of numbers coming in from the company. Revenue saw growth of around 25%, profit saw growth of around 9.5%. Margins saw a sharper contraction of around 100 basis points this time around. So we were expecting around a 40 basis point contraction. So much more than what we were expecting in terms of the contraction coming in. So obviously what you see in terms of margins, they stood at around 8.6%, mainly impacted by the inflationary trends. Overall, the change in mix is also something that is impacting the gross margins of the company as well. And the company has highlighted one factor, that the discretionary non-FMCG business of the company is not doing that well, or is not doing as well as they expected as well. Now on the back of this, we have a brokerage note coming in from Morgan Stanley. They have actually downgraded the stock to an equal weight, given a target price of 3,853 rupees per share. Top line growth saw a moderate growth in the last 3 years, 3-year CAGR basis as well, is what Morgan Stanley is highlighting. They said that the Q3 EBITDA margins were below their estimates as well as the consensus and the street estimate as well. And obviously they see limited triggers actually coming in for DMart or Avenue Supermart as we know it as in the near term for the stock to actually start performing well. So because of that, because of a disappointment coming in terms of the growth as well as the margin front in the last couple of quarters, Morgan Stanley has downgraded the stock. Not a great set of numbers coming in for DMart.